No freaking way. Hello? Hi. I'm taping something. Huh? Yeah. I messed up so much. Yeah, it's so slow. Do you want to, like, I have my eye weave on right now. You don't want to see it. You know Snooki? No, the girl. Snooki. Snooki from Jersey Shore. Oh, you don't know her though? Oh god. Oh my god. You don't know what she looks like? Oh my god. No. You're home. No. Oh my god, you're there so you can't Skype me. You can't?